It's another wonderful day in the world of online business. So I know a lot of people have this question because I certainly did, and that's how to be able to film yourself and your screen at the same time. Maybe you're doing a walkthrough or doing a presentation that you'd like to record, and not everybody knows where to go to. Certainly not every computer has this sorts of functionality built onto it. So I'm going to show you today where you can turn to when you need to take care of that. And if you're new here, my name is Matthew and I bring you business tips and tricks to help propel your business forward. So if I can help you do that, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button down there in the bottom right, ring that bell. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So the tool that I find most helpful when you're trying to achieve this is actually something called Zoom, and it's a free software that you can download. So go to zoom.us in whatever browser, and then you can actually just hit sign up. It's free. It's great because the free basic version of this includes all the functionality that you need. You don't have to upgrade at all unless you're planning on using it for larger conferences, longer conferences. There's some other features, but everything that you need to record your screen and video yourself is right in the basic setup. So go ahead and do that, download the platform, and then we can move on to the next step. So when you download the platform, you're going to get this window here when you start it up, and you actually want to hit start with video. So that's automatically going to bring up your webcam or whatever your default camera is, whether it's another one you have externally connected or this one. Regardless, it's okay if it's not that high quality, because in the end your picture is going to be in the top right, so it's going to be pretty small. So as long as you have good audio and your other visual is good, you're okay. So the thing you want to do is hit join audio conference by computer. Make sure that your mute and stop video, they're both good to go. Make sure you're seeing yourself in the screen. Then you want to hit share screen. It's going to give you several options here. What I want to do is I actually want to share my first desktop and then bring up a PowerPoint so you can talk through it, you know what's going on. You can talk to the different points. Maybe you're recording a conference, or maybe you're recording a webinar or something like that where you want to go through it with people. But the next important thing that you need to do is actually hit more and then record. And so this is actually going to record what goes on your screen, and the visual up top, so you can go through and talk to the points that you need to, talk to your potential clients or whoever it is, and really get the point across. And then in order to stop that, hit stop recording, and then it actually, when you stop sharing and you end the meeting, is when it's going to convert it to a file that you can use in your videos to edit and do other things like that. So it only takes a couple minutes to convert, but it shouldn't really take that long, and then you can use it however you'd like. Well, I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you and really showed you something that you may not have known before and helped you figure out an easy solution to the problem that a lot of people have. If I did, leave me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day.